Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick and super straightforward tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create an eye-catching flyer or poster using Canva for free. Whether you're making something for your business, an event, or just for fun, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to whip up a professional-looking poster without spending a single cent. So let's dive right in. Alright, first things first, let's head on over to Canva. If you haven't used Canva before, don't worry. It's a free online graphic design tool that works right in your web browser. Just open up your favorite web browser, type in canva.com, and log in or sign up for a free account if you haven't already done so. Canva is great because it's beginner-friendly and you don't need any special design experience. Once you're logged in, you're going to see a big button up at the top that says Create a Design. Go ahead and click on that. If you ever get lost or don't see the button, it might be labeled slightly differently depending on updates, but it's usually right there at the top of your homepage. Clicking Create a Design is your starting point for any project in Canva. Now in the search bar that pops up, start typing poster. As you type, you'll see different format options appear like poster or maybe even flyer, depending on what you need. For most uses, just pick poster. This automatically sets up the optimal size for a standard poster, so you don't have to worry about dimensions or any of those technical details. With your blank canvas open, this is where the magic happens. Canva offers a huge library of templates that make designing so much easier and faster, but here's the tip. Not every template is free, and we want to make sure we stick to those that don't cost anything. So scroll through the list of poster templates which will show up on the left side of the screen. Here's the trick: for a template to be free, it won't have any little crown logo or dollar sign on it. If you spot those icons, that means you'd have to pay to use that specific template. Just skip over those and focus on ones with no logo at all. Those are 100% free and you can use them without a worry. Once you find a template you like, maybe it's bold and colorful or maybe it's sleek and modern, just click on it. Canva will load it onto your workspace instantly. At this point, you're ready to start editing. Everything on the template is customizable. You can change the text, swap out images, shift colors, and resize elements as you like. For example, if you're making a poster for your local bake sale, just click on any text box and type in your event details. You can get creative here, and it only takes a few clicks. Remember, don't stress if your design isn't perfect at first. Canva auto-saves as you go, so feel free to experiment with colors and fonts. If you make a mistake, there's always an undo button. And really, that's it. In just a few steps, you've got yourself a sharp-looking flyer or poster ready to print or share online, all without spending a dime. Canva makes graphic design accessible for everyone. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or need advice on design, I'd love to help you out. Just drop a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more free, easy tutorials just like this. Thanks so much for watching and happy designing.